Markdown in Onshape is extremely powerful, especially when paired with document notes inside of documents or in publications. Here you can see I'm easily able to provide a bunch of data about my design right here in the document notes panel. I can edit the document notes very easily using standard Markdown language to make it visually appealing. You can also view the document notes from the documents page. Simply select a document and look at the document notes tab. Now, once we're back in a document, this is where you can edit it. You can also upload other Markdown result files if you have a lot of different information that you want to store inside the Onshape document. Here I have 5 Markdown files that I had an LLM like Claude generate based on information about our heatsink, and I've uploaded each variant of the heatsink and its resultant information to the Onshape document. Here is a larger Markdown file. I'm going to copy the contents of this right here and paste it into the document notes tab itself in Onshape. That way it renders it in full Markdown. So you can read the tables even easier and see the sections very clearly. So this is how Onshape Markdown can make your design experience better by including all of this information at your fingertips so it doesn't get lost.